Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you. Normally I tell my clients it's not really too big a deal to wash off your solar panel. Some heavy rain or some snow that gets on it and slides off does a pretty good job. Maybe, if you want to get out once a year, a little warm soapy water, wash them off and rinse them down. That's not going to hurt anything, and that might very well increase your production. However, down here in Florida, we have a little different problem that you really can't see too well on these recently installed modules, but you can definitely see better on this panel that's been installed and up there for a couple of years. You can see this side we cleaned already right here, and compared to the other side where you can see that hard white film. That is what happens when you're down here in Florida or by the coast. You got a lot of salt in the air that settles on it, and then it bakes in every day. You get this hard, filmy crust that's hard to get off. Now, I thought about scraping it off, but I came up with what I think is a better idea. Good old-fashioned vinegar. So we mixed it at about a 50-50 ratio with some warm water, got ourselves a little scrubby, and we're slowly working it through. Now, the key is to get this vinegar on right away and let the vinegar do the work. Don't grind into that glass with your elbow expecting to get it all off. Just work that vinegar around nice, slow, and easy, and it's going to eat through what's there and eventually just take it right off. So you've been working on these, Illy. How's it been going?
It's been going good. Besides doing a whole lot of elbow grease when you do this salt, getting the salt off here. For sure.
Well, these have already been cleaned, and where you can see they are pretty doggone nice and ready to go back up. There's no scratches on the glass, no marks, or nothing that's going to hurt the production. And once again, up here we can see the difference between this, and that's what we're striving for. I got to think having this film on here is taking my production down, I don't know, maybe 15-20%. Keeping that off, and it just keeps building as more salt keeps settling. So if you're down on a coastal area, you got a lot of salt, you got some scale, this is a little bit time consuming but natural and easy way to clean off your solar modules. Turbine Guy signing off.